games. I've never been to a place where they have employee appreciation weeks. I've never been to a place that takes their employees out for company picnics. It's just great to be around that.
Well, I must like it. I've been here 46 years. But I think the things that I like most is to watch people grow. I like to see when we're building. I like to see when we're doing new projects. I like to see when we're in new areas of business. And it's fun to see that, and exciting, and it's good to watch people try to take whatever potential they have and make some good use of it.